Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and viewers. Thank you very much and welcome to my channel and Facebook page. Today I have come to visit some places and sites of the great river Jamuna, and today I will show you some important sites and sceneries nearby this river, and I hope that it will be very enjoyable to you. And it is the starting point, and slowly I will capture more sites and places of this area. Dear friends, at first I would like to inform you that this area is very near to Purbo Khukshiya and Baoikhola under Kajipur Upojela, and you know that this great river Jamuna is very powerful, very mighty, and it is known for its river erosion. Every year this area is flooded by the river water, and there is no exception of this matter. So the people living surrounding nearby areas suffer a lot or heavy flood. Every year they become homeless. They lose many things, many properties, land properties, and also crop lands are washed away the flood water. So it is very dangerous situation they face every year. Dear viewers, now you are watching the areas about 2 or 3 kilometers from here. Circle area or square area all have been gone into the river bed within 3 or 4 years or 5 years highest. And this year it was also continuing river erosion, this river, but luckily this area saved, alhamdulillah. And you know that most part of this village has gone in river water, river bed. So it is a really unlucky situation. So government also tried to do something to save the area, and now I will show you that measurement. At first I want to give you the information that from now, from the beginning, you are looking or you can watch a vast area. It is an embankment built in this area to save from river erosion, and I hope that you can see. And you are also looking many trees planted here, many trees planted here, and it is the effort of the government, and already all the trees are growing up. Now you can see an area, very natural scenery, but this area already saved, alhamdulillah, by this action taken by the government. Otherwise this could be gone into the river bed, and it would be another loss for this area. Dear friends, you are looking vast area, 2 or 3 kilometers, 2 or 3 kilometers place land. They could be also distracted by the river water, but alhamdulillah for this very action, tree plantation and embankment, timely management or timely made, this area was saved, alhamdulillah. And the tree all the trees are growing up. You can see another important thing is that all the lands here and many lands are being used for plantation. You can see some farmers are planting or they are doing hard work in their field. 2 or 3 years ago it could not be imagined. And now you can see the place like a hill. They are also the planet work of the government to save the region, and it is also an embankment, high embankment to protect the water flow to save the region. So these are the achievement or development activities, and definitely they are very useful and very good initiatives. Dear friends, you know today the weather is not very sunny, it's not very good. Now I am showing the sceneries very nearby area of the river. Now you can see fish, vast area, the nearby area of the river Jamuna. Dear friend, this river is very big and it has magnificent view from all corners. Now you can see the actual picture of the river from the very near of its bank. You can see the water is flowing strongly. There are strong waves in the river. The current is very powerful here, current of the water, and you can hear the sound of the current water in Jamuna river from Gazipur. I think this scenery is giving very beautiful feeling in your mind. Now you can enjoy some Zao trees. They are dancing with the air. So we can see the presence of beauty everywhere by the river Jamuna. And also the small trees, they also create sense of beauty. Dear viewers and friends, now you can feel the actual situation here. Very wonderful. Though it is dangerous situation, but the spontaneous overflow of the water of Jamuna and is creating a very melodious and spontaneous sound like music. So I hope that you all are enjoying this beauty through my channel and Facebook page, English Practice with Sil. So dear friends and viewers, again welcome all of you. And now you can see the vast area of the river Jamuna. You know that it is one of the best rivers in Bangladesh and in also in the world. So there is no shortest of definition of beauty from the river Jamuna, and inshallah it will continue. Sometimes you will get the beauty scenery of the river Jamuna as we live in the very surrounding years of Jamuna. We feel very proud, we feel very lucky for having such a river, alhamdulillah. So thank you all my friends and viewers, and I hope that you all are. So again, you all are most welcome and thank you, and I hope that you all are with us and support me by subscribing my channel and following my Facebook page English Practice with Salim Reza. And our mission of practicing English inshallah will continue. Thank you very much.